Alright, YouTube, Murtacus back here. You guys a video. I'm gonna do a DIY radio installation on my 328i. This is the 1999 model. So first we're gonna put some tools in my car, make it a little easier. We're just gonna disconnect the negative cable. Here while we do it. From the video, all you really need is a flathead. And that's not my flathead. Let me see where it is. There it is. So I got my flathead, and they said to pull this trim out slowly. There it goes. And then this piece should just come out. So I think I got it out. Just check. Oh my gosh, my hands are freezing. I got one glove. Hopefully I can find the other glove. So this trim looks like it's never been taken off before. Boom. So you got the trim out. Put this back in its little socket. And see a little price tag. Now luckily it's just 2 Phillips head screws. See one right there, and then there's one on the other side. Come out. Woo! So here's the back end of it. So yeah, that should go in like that, I hope. Now it says to put this mounting bracket in. Shout out APAC. This is connected. Okay. Okay, let's try this, guys. Awesome. Oh my gosh. That was really hard. So let me make sure it works before I assemble everything. We'll go tighten the battery. Let's go. I did it. And it sounds so much better than the Bluetooth transmitter for the radio. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Oh my gosh, let's go. Honestly, I've done one before, but this one was a little more cramped. I did it on my SLK, but this one was easier for sure. Let me put the trim back and I'll end the video. Whew. Oh my goodness, that was a project. Guys, look at the date code on this. 12/02/99. This thing's older than me. Before I forget, I'm gonna put the screws back in for the bracket. That's one. Here's number two. Oh my gosh, guys, that's a really good feeling. The audio finally is better in this 20-year-old car. So if you haven't done it, I definitely recommend doing it for yours, because I think my radio was bad because the connection to the speakers was really bad, but that actually sounded really clean when I just did that. So this goes right here. Oh Oh, and it fits so nice. Okay. Let me do the other side. Oh my gosh, guys. Let's try one more time. Make sure it all works. Connects automatically. Oh my gosh, let's go. Speakers are really good. Thank you guys so much. That was a mess, but catch you on the next one. Murtacus out. Peace.
If you wanna be with me, you got me hypnotized by the way you look at me.